How to create KakaoTalk account. Make sure that you have the KakaoTalk app installed to your device. After that is done, go ahead and open the application. Now you would have to agree to some permissions. For you to create a KakaoTalk account, you have to click on the sign up button. Make sure that you go through all of the terms and conditions. Once that is done, you have to click on this tick mark. Now go ahead and click on agree and continue. For the next step, you have to type in your phone number. You can change your country code from here, then type in your phone number. Now you have to click on send verification message. Once this is done, let's head to the KakaoTalk application. Now you have to click on this yellow box that says check verification. Once that has been verified, you would need to create a password for your new account. Moving on, you would now need to type in your name, your date of birth and your gender. Once you have filled it up, go ahead and click on OK. Now again, you have to type in your email address, then you need to check collection and use of personal information. Now click on send verification email. Now let's head to our mailbox. This is what the mail looks like. Now you need to copy down the verification code. Heading back to the KakaoTalk app, you need to type in the verification code that you copied earlier. So there you have it. That is how you create a KakaoTalk account. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.